Welcome back, and thanks for tuning in. Have you ever struggled with your partner while trying to dance salsa? Kind of like you were having an argument instead of a conversation? Well, today we're going to find out a possible reason why. But before we get into it, please hit subscribe below and ring that bell for the latest videos from salsagoals. Now, as mentioned earlier, salsa dancing can be like a non-verbal conversation with your partner, and the music provides the topic. This means that great salsa dancing isn't just about fancy moves. If you want to have an amazing conversation with your partner on the dance floor, the music is the key, because it can give you and your partner a common groove to stay in sync with so that you can both stay in sync with each other. But you'll need to do at least 3 things first. 1. Increase your salsa dancing vocabulary by learning and studying, preferably in a salsa dancing class. 2. Practice, and more practice. And 3. Allow the music to dictate how you dance. But although the music is extremely important, there's something else even more important. What's that, you say? Well, imagine that you ask someone a question in English, but they answer you in Portuguese. Even though you are both discussing the same subject, will you be able to have a smooth conversation? Probably not, because you're not speaking the same language. And the same can happen when dancing salsa. If you and your partner each use different salsa dancing styles, it's like you are each speaking a slightly different language, even though you are dancing to the same music. For example, if you are dancing New York style salsa on 2, but your partner is dancing Miami style casino, it might be a struggle to connect with each other. Or if you are dancing LA style salsa on 1, but your partner is dancing Colombian salsa caleña or one of the other styles from Latin America, then you might have some problems understanding each other on the dance floor. So while the music is super important, the first and most basic ingredient for a smooth salsa dance is that you and your partner speak the same language on the dance floor. And there you have it. But if that's the case, which style of salsa dancing should you learn? Well, stay tuned for the next video. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and click like below. Your feedback will help me to improve the quality of future videos. So until next time, stay safe, stay connected to the music, and keep dancing.